Hey everybody, it's Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. Today we're going to dig into a delicious dessert sauce, banana sauce. For a list of the ingredients, please check the description below. Alright, go ahead and get 3 ripe bananas, peel them. Make sure you get rid of all the little strings and then give these guys a little bit of a chopping. We're going to use roughly 220 grams or 2 cups of these bananas. Go ahead and put them into a mixing bowl. Grab a potato masher and mash these bad boys up. Add 4 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a little bit of a mix. This will add a little bit of a zest and it'll also keep the bananas from turning brown. Alright everybody, go ahead and grab a saucepan. Put 118 milliliters or half a cup of water, 100 grams or half a cup of sugar, and 39 grams or 3 tablespoons of butter. Cook this over a medium to high flame until the butter and the sugar are dissolved. Now go ahead and introduce the star of the show, the smashed bananas. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium to high heat. Go ahead and throw in a pinch of salt for extra flavor. Turn the heat to low and simmer for 30 minutes. Now that your mixer has been well reduced, go ahead and grab a blender. In this case I'm using an emulsion blender. You can use a regular blender, you can use a fine sieve, just make sure that it's well pureed. Now that the mixture has been pureed, go ahead and transfer to a bowl. You can either serve warm or you can refrigerate and serve cool. And there you have it, a banana sauce, delicious dessert sauce. Thanks for watching. Please check the description below for a list of the ingredients. Hit that like button and please support the channel by subscribing. And you know what? I'll see you next time.